It's a big challenge for government and civic leaders. How do we regulate this new form of capitalism that is emerging? We've still got the traditional institutional capitalism run by banks and through centralised authorities, but now on top of that we have a crowd-based peer-to-peer capitalism. How do we regulate Uber? That's why Uber's in the courts all the time. We can't quite figure out how to regulate this thing because it doesn't operate through a central authority. If the British government wants to track architectural standards, it goes through RIBA, Royal Institute of British Architects. But imagine people were building in the wiki format, sharing designs and building. Yes, they'd have to have some permission to do so, but maybe the council opens up a little bit on that and they have a little more freedom. How do we then regulate this? It's a challenge, but we need to find a way forward if we're going to see innovation hub status emerge. I think the way of the future is probably likely to be a mixture of centralised regulation. I should say informed, centralised. How many of you saw the Senate hearings with Mark Zuckerberg? Or even part of it? How many of you heard some of the questions and thought, my God, these people really, they don't know the day of the week. They don't know how this stuff works. They don't know how the Zuck even thinks, much less what Facebook does. We need to have informed government regulation, but combined with that, sector-driven but accountable regulation, plus forms of automated technology that perhaps nudge people in the direction of different behaviour.